talking about a clit talk, clit talk, clit talk, talking about a clit talk, clit talk, clit talk.
Hi.
All right. Oh, now we're rolling. I was like, what I should have said is we're about to roll.
We're almost rolling, and now we are.
Almost rolling. Now we're seriously actually rolling. I know we seem drunk, but we're actually here to make mocktails today. And we thought we would do it with nothing. And we do mean nothing, but aprons on. Oh, there was a little booty in that shot, Katie.
Just a little bit.
Because I mean, what else? Who else would we be if we did not make mocktails for you naked? You know, basically, what the hell is this? Is this Clit Talk Confidential or not? Okay, so we're each gonna make a different drink, and my request is that you guys make confessions while you do it. I'll get started. Okay.
So, by the way, these are all from Christy Funk's Pink Lotus recipes from her, to be healthy during the holidays.
Yes.
It's a, good thing.
Yes. Okay.
It's good option.
So I am making, and we'll post all of the recipes obviously below as well. Wait, can you look up in the text message which one I'm supposed to be making? So I forget what the title of it is. Hold on. Oh, it's the Sparkling Blueberry Spritzer is what I'm making, but I had to make some modifications because I didn't have time to go to the grocery store today. So to make this, it's supposed to be a fourth a cup of blueberries, which I had in the freezer, so they've been defrosting, and a little bit of agave nectar, and sparkling water, and it's supposed to be rosemary as well, but I didn't have any, so I'm gonna add some lime juice today. Okay, so what you do basically is you take the blueberries, which we hope none of our boyfriend's balls are this small, and you put them into the glass, and we hope our pussies aren't this wide, right? No pussy shame, sorry. Okay.
Blueberries is reminding me of Kim Vopni with the pelvic floor exercise of like picking up, imagine your pelvic floor scooping up a blueberry. Yeah,
so here's a visual of that. And then I don't really like my drinks very sweet, so I just did like a dash of the agave, which has the consistency of semen for anyone who's interested. And then you take the lime and you squirt it in. Come on, who doesn't like squirting? Let's be honest. You just squirt it right in the hole, just like a good girl. All right. And then you take your muddler and you muddle it like your ex-boyfriend's prostate, because we hate him, right? All right, and we just muddle that away, muddle it away, muddle it away. Fuck you, I hate you, my ex-boyfriend. You really suck, you really suck.
Pick it up.
Pick it up. All right, so we've got some nice muddled blue balls in there with a little bit of semen and some pussy juice. Okay, then you take your sparkling water. Oh, that just squirted all over me.
Squirted all over you. Did it
was that apropos? I don't know.
That's your energy.
It totally came on my face.
I love it. I love it. So you see how that's nice and fizzly? That's exactly what we're looking for, ladies and gentlemen. You want a nice fizzly drink. Maybe if you want to stir it with the muddler some more, you get that in there. You know.
Yummy.
Ooh, nummy. I feel like mint would go good in here too, but I didn't have any mint. And then you add some ice to it. Just add that ice in there. Now, in Christy Funk's recipe, it did say to strain it, but I kind of like, I feel like leaving the blueberries in there is nice, so I just chose to do that. I'm just gonna like pour juice all over my microphone. All right, and then here's the little taste test.
Cheers.
That's actually really good, and it really does fulfill the desire to stop drinking, which I definitely need to do as well, so.
Wow, you're just making me really thirsty. I can't wait to make mine and just like pound it.
That's what she said.
Okay,
exactly.
so congratulations on a job well done on the blueberry.
Thank you.
Blueberry.
The blueberry drink.
So
it's very good.
What was it called again? The blueberry fizz?
I don't know, but when we were talking about which recipe we would have, it's called the Cancer Kicking Kit. It's a mango mule, and it had like the most complicated ingredients, like mango puree. And Katie's like, "I'll make that when I have all of that at my house." I was like, "What the fuck are you doing with mango puree?" Just like offhand.
I had mangoes and I pureed it. I had to like ripe mango.
Nice.
It's
So
like
I chose
ginger beer and like all this crazy shit.
I know. I love ginger beer. I always have it at my house.
Well, I guess we know who's the best Susie homemaker. How often do you cook naked in the kitchen with a bathrobe? That's what I mean. An apron. That's what I want to know.
Actually, I do cook naked a lot.
I believe it.
I do.
have a roommate,
I like
and I
to be.
still do it. All right. So, Katie, what goes into your drink? This is actually really
So
good, you guys.
I
I'm
picked
into it.
my tired as a mother mug because I don't have a shaker, and mocktails are really good for not being tired as a motherfucker in the morning. So
this is called not being a tired motherfucker mango smoothie.
not being a tired motherfucker mango smoothie. Okay, so
These are not Christy Funk's titles. We are ruining this.
gotta add some fun to the mocktail. So I muddled up cucumber. So we have the cucumber here, which is the first thing I ever masturbated with in high school. So you muddle.
Really, mine was a muddler. How weird. No, I'm just kidding. That's not true.
Are mocktail confessions.
So I muddled the cucumber, and I'm gonna put that in here.
All right.
And then I have 1.5 ounces of simple syrup.
Beautiful.
Which I had, and I had never opened it until now. And
Unbelievable.
then I add the mango puree, which is fresh mango that I peeled and put in the Vitamix.
Oh, I was gonna say, did you use a Vitamix? Because that's like the only way to do this.
I mean, I don't know how else I would have done it.
Yeah.
Put that in there. Yummy. Okay, and then what do I do?
Whose idea was this episode? Was this my idea or Katie's idea?
I believe this was your idea.
What a weird idea.
And then I just put the lime juice in that I freshly squeezed, and I got the limes from my neighbor's tree because we live in California.
Aw, that's so cute.
Oh, we have like every house in our neighborhood has its own fruit tree, so we got avocados.
Ooh, nice.
So I was thinking about it, and like what Dr. Christy Funk is really advocating is like a lot of education just around women's health and alcohol. And her whole thing is, and I learned this for the first time from her episode, that for women, not to bring a damper on this, but each drink, like one drink increases a woman's chance of getting breast cancer by 10%, 2, 20%, 3, 30%, and then upwards from there. So I love this idea of like the mocktails, and we'll put it in like fun mugs to feel like we're drinking. But what's really kind of, I was thinking about it. I'm like, I'm definitely going to want to drink over the holidays. So I was thinking these mocktails are so healthy. Like when you make drinks over the holidays, you know how we normally use like syrup and sugary stuff? This is such a healthy alternative for the family's cocktails for the holidays.
Well, she did just use simple syrup in hers, but I feel like the mango puree is sweet enough. Like you could use that in lieu of like a simple syrup.
I probably don't need the simple syrup.
Yeah, honestly, this drink would be just as good without the agave too, for me, because like fresh fruit is such a good sweetener. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yes. And the thing that I was going to say that Sugar was saying is the Cosmo Companion that Dr. Christy Funk, if you do want to add some alcohol to it, just take one of those in the morning and it actually balances it all out, which is kind of like magic. So
I'm talking about a clit talk, talking about a clit talk. Come on, girls and boys and everyone on the gender rainbow, bring your pussies to the show.